In the dim glow of the kitchen, the refrigerator hummed a sinister lullaby. It was a new invention promising to preserve life, yet it seemed to devour time itself. Each night, the family heard whispers from its icy depths, tales of forgotten worlds and lost souls. The food inside began to rot faster, as if the fridge was feeding on their fears. One morning they found a note inside, written in a language not of this earth, warning of a chilling fate. As the fridge door creaked open, a cold hand reached out. Like, comment, and subscribe for more chilling tales!